All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly what I use in my green screen setup. All the products, the prices, and where I got them from. Also, this clip might be a little bit darker just because I have one of my lights over here next to me. So let's get started with the fabric green screen. Now, this is initially what I used to use. You can also use green screen paint, which I'm using behind me. We'll get into that a little bit later. But this is a fabric green screen. You can get it on Amazon for around $40, I believe. You can use tacks just to hang it up, but of course we want to be a little bit more professional. So with this, you could buy this green screen stand. It's basically a very large tripod with these bars that extend out. I believe this goes up past 9 feet. And then it has these support bars which go across and hang onto here. You get 2 of these stands, and there's, I believe, 4 support bars that connect to each other, and the green screen threads through on the top of this, and it hangs off. Here's a picture of the complete setup, and this is the first setup that I actually used when I get started with green screening. And then we have the lighting kit right here. This is a very good lighting kit that I use. It comes with this little umbrella. This is what reflects the light. It's all compact, which I love about this setup. So here's the bulb, quick on and off, and it comes with the stand. So the lighting kit comes with 2 of these stands with the umbrellas and the lights. So on Amazon, I got the lighting kit plus the stands for the green screen and the chroma key green screen, the fabric, for $210. That all came as one kit. Of course, you can buy them separately, but for $210, it's a pretty good deal. Now, moving on to the green screen paint. Now, I got this for, I believe, $22 at Home Depot. This is the Disney Gamma Sector paint. It's a flat paint, so there's no reflection on the wall when you're filming. Now, you can also buy tube paint online. It's, chroma key paint. It's $50, but I was reading on some forums, and they basically said this is the same exact stuff for half the price. I bought it, painted the wall, and I've used it all year, have had no problems. So that is the chroma key paint. People are probably going to ask why, what's the difference between the paint and the fabric? For me, I used the initial fabric stands because, the fabric screen and the stands, because I started this business back when I was in college, so I would have to film videos at my college house, and then on breaks I would come home and I needed to take the whole kit with me. And what's great about this kit is that it's easy to compact. It's all pretty much just tripods. You unscrew it, you break it down, and it goes right back into the bag that they give you. And I could bring it home with me, and I can take it back to my college house with me. So it was really great to use. Now that I graduated college a while ago, and I have an office now, this is the green screen wall that I use. So it looks better because you don't have like stands around, and you don't have this screen around. It's just flat paint on the wall. And so this is what I use now. There's really no difference. I really haven't seen a big difference. It lights up the same, and it looks the same on the computer, so you really can't tell a difference. Next is the microphone that I use. This is the Audio-Technica ATR 3350 lavalier mic. It is a mic that right here clips on and off my shirt. So let me just clip it back on. So as you can see, this clips right onto my shirt. This is a great mic. I got this on Amazon for $20, I believe. I have 2 of these. They've never broken on me. The batteries are little watch batteries. You can get like a set of 10 of them for like $2 on Amazon. They're really cheap. They're really easy to use, and they just work. They're real simple. And it sounds better using a microphone rather than just using the camera mic that's built in, because you cut out all like the echoes and everything in the room, and all the background sounds. You just get the person talking, which is great. So that's the ATR 3350 Audio-Technica lavalier mic. One thing about this mic though is that when you plug it into the camera, I use a Kodak ZI-8 camera. The sound comes out mono, which means when you put it in the computer and you're listening to your video, it's only going to come out of one speaker. But there's a little adapter that you can buy at Radio Shack for $2, which I use. I'll show you a little bit later. That plugs right into the camera, and it makes the sound stereo, so it comes out of both speakers. So that is the microphone. And of course, I use I'm filming with it, so I can't show you, but I use a Kodak ZI-8 camera. It's a really great camera. I mean, the quality is pretty good. It shoots 1080p. The thing I like about it is that I shoot a new video every single day, and so I have to shoot a new green screen video, unplug it, plug it into my computer, upload the video, edit the video, and then 24 hours later I got to shoot another one. And I do this every single day of the year for my business. So this camera is great because it has a little USB port on it. You just pop it out, plug it into your computer, and you just pull off the video clips, and then you upload them. So it's very simple to use. It also has a microphone port on the side, which of course I'm using, so that's great as well. So I got that camera and the remote that comes with it for $189 on Amazon. And finally, we have just the basic tripod. It's just a regular tripod, nothing special about it. The only thing I like about it is that it has levels right here built in, so you can see if the tripod is level and if your camera is level, so you have a level shot. And I got this for $15 on Amazon. So pretty much that's my whole setup. One thing I'm missing here is, I'll just pick these up just to show you. I use shop lights. I'll point it away from the camera so you can see. I got these at Home Depot for, I believe, 19 bucks. I use 2 shop lights on the ground to light up the bottom of the wall so I get some good lighting. And that's pretty much my whole green screen setup. It might look ghetto to you, but I mean, I'll show you when it's all set up. It looks really great, and on a $500 budget, and it's $500, and what you can do with it is amazing, because you as the viewer don't see any of this stuff. All you see is the subject and whatever is behind them, whatever picture or whatever video they put behind them on the green screen. So what's great is that you don't see anything other than what's on the video. So you'll never see any of the stuff that I have. So you can't tell if I have a professional setup or some ghetto bootleg setup. So that's all the stuff that I use. You can find the links below this video to all the products that I use, so you can buy them yourself. There's also a ton of different lighting kits and everything that you can buy. You can check out cowboystudio.com. They sell a lot of green screen stuff and a lot of lighting kits as well. So I'll see you in the next clip.